Hello, welcome to another quick video. In this video we will learn how to take a screenshot. It's quite easy and we're gonna use a keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut is Windows plus Shift plus S. So that is Windows plus Shift plus S. Once you press that, you will see a menu in here, you will see icons in here, and then you can take a screenshot of any part of the windows you want. So let's say I want this part, and that's it. I have taken a screenshot, and to see this screenshot you need to go to pictures and then screenshots, and then here is the screenshot that I just took. So I hope this quick video was helpful. The best thing you can do for me is to give this video a like and share with your friends. I see you in the next video.